Good afternoon, ladies. I hope you're all having an amazing week. So I wanted to do just another step-by-step on how to apply your halo extensions. You do get directions when your order arrives. It'll tell you like a step-by-step on how to install them. However, I always feel it's so much more helpful when you watch a video rather than just reading instructions off a piece of paper. So I'm going to take you through that today. You're going to need a clip, and this does come included in your package. Also need a comb, like a rat tail comb, and that's also included in your package. And of course, you'll need your halo. So this is my hair without the halo. It is up to here, and with the 20-inch, it just goes definitely below my chest. So this is the halo. It is 150 grams. These wires, you do get 3 different sizes so that you can adjust it to the size of like where your ring is going to be. These clips are removable, so if you don't want them, you can, it's Velcro, so you can take them, you're able to take them right off. I find that it's helpful to have them because it's another layer of security to make sure that your halo does not slip off. So I use the smallest band that comes included. If anything happens to your band, if it breaks, if you accidentally brush through it and you forget that it's there and you just like go like this and it breaks, it is very strong. But shoot us an email. I'll be more than happy to send you a replacement band. So the first thing we're going to do is take your 2 pointer fingers, and I'm just going to go about an inch above my forehead, so right there, and then I'm going to make a little circle right above at the very top, and it doesn't have to be too low. I prefer it to be a little bit higher, and we're just going to section that piece right off with a clip. You don't want to rush doing this, but I like to take my time doing it so that it is easier for me to adjust. So this is 150 grams and I wear shade Puppy Black. So what we're going to do is bring all the hair to the front so that there's no hair in the back. And then I'm simply going to close the clips. I'll bring it in the back, and then I'm going to clip one side open and then clip the other side, and then I am going to bring it all to the front, and you'll just make sure that that line, or this band I mean, is still in that place where you made that 1-inch parting. Alright, so now we have removed the clip and we've let all the hair down. Now this is where your toothpick comb is going to, your rat tail comb is going to come in handy. So you're going to take your comb and simply, very gently brush right on top of where that wire is. I like to do it a couple of times just for extra security. And that is it. It is so simple. Again, I don't know if I said this already, but I like to style my halo before I apply it on, and then I like to style my natural hair separately, and then when it's together I can see, all right, this part needs to blend better, so I'll go ahead and restyle that section. So it's super easy, it's super comfortable, it is just effortless, and I absolutely love it. So if you need any extra help applying it, you can always send over a message. I hope this helps, and I hope you love your halo as much as I do. All right, ladies, have a great weekend. Mwah.